Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, if you face this type of problem, boot device not found, please install an operating system on your hard disk. Hard disk 3F0 F2 system diagnostics. For more information, please visit. This is my HP laptop. To solve this problem, you just press F10. Just F10. Just press F10. Friends, notice that at the top bar there is BIOS setup utility, main, security, configuration, boot option, exit. We'll go just exit option, and there is three options: save changes and exit, ignore changes and exit, load setup defaults. We'll go save changes and exit. Just press enter. Save changes and exit. Just press yes and enter. Please wait a moment. Thanks a lot.